In today's video, I'm going to be transforming my hair from this to this because, girl, you watch her back it up. She do that, that's what's up. Now, I hope this turns out to be what I expected in mind. So the vision I'm going for is bangs here with flexi rods with one product. Now, if you want to know which products I'm going to be using, stick to the end of the video because I don't want to spend too much time on this hair. The first thing I did was, my hair was previously in braids, like whole hair was in braids, and I made this ponytail with kinky that I used already. I just wanted to switch up my hair to look different, you know, because my hair is versatile, so I have to make it versatile. So I just did that, put this in a ponytail, and I got like a bunch of braids and I took them out. So let's go wash my hair without wasting time. Welcome to voiceover me. So this was me like wrapping my ponytail with this scarf because I didn't want water touching it, like that would do anything. This was the flex rods I used, and this is the shampoo that I used. This shampoo got rid of every single dirt, and this is my hair freshly washed. I know it actually looks fuller than it was meant to be. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. At this point, I had gone like halfway through the hair doing the flexi rods, but then I realized that this will not actually work out the way like it's meant to work out. Like I didn't even like I didn't even blow dry my hair before this. I just applied product and I was just doing it, and I was like, this is not going to work. So I then like had to take them out because I didn't want to like risk going to school looking like a moron, like an animal, because it's not in me to do that. So here I was just like experimenting at this point. I was doing like a flexi rod here. This was actually quite a little bit difficult to me, but it was actually easy. As you can see, I took the flexi rods out and I was just admiring how much my hair has grown. Like, what? This length is crazy, like mini braids is the thing. If you're not doing mini braids, I don't know what the hell you're doing or what you're doing it with, but mini braids is the goat to hair growth and length retention, because the key to hair growth is length retention. And if you want to know how to retain length, do mini braids, like low maintenance, do everything. And then I left my hair in this state to like dry and become a wash and go, but then later at night it started looking like what I wasn't expecting. So I had to just put it up in twist. As you can see, I'm holding. I had to put everything in twist, and the twist outs came out juicy because I remember I did this like last year and it was so cute. The twist outs were amazing, and I didn't even use like any like mousse or any product like that. Hi! So as you can see from the previous clip, it was meant to be flexi rods, then it turned out to a wash and go, and then later on in the day I changed it to a twist out because I was not seeing a good future, and I had school the next day, which is today. This is me in the future telling you guys that whenever you're trying to make your hair, don't do it last minute. Try your best not to. Do not procrastinate. I did this hairstyle because I wanted to switch up my look, because why be braids for the whole month when I can be blue, yellow, purple, I can be any color I like. So I tried to switch it up a little, you know, little tweak it to the salon. So yeah, this is my hair. This side didn't dry as well as I wanted it to, so it puffed up. This side did perfectly. That's why they look uneven, but that's fine. People still gave me loads of compliments on this hair. Like when I told my friend that this was kinky that I used, she was like, what? Like, this is literally extensions I use, and unfortunately I was in my creative era. I was too creative to like film myself doing the ponytail. But what you just do is just get a ponytail, your extensions, brush them out to make it bouncy and fluffy. Then you get an elastic band and tie it in the middle, so it's like a ponytail, and then you flip it upside down, and then you wrap it here, this section of your bun, and then you flip it, and then you have to like a little tweaky, like tweaking to make it look like how you want it to look. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you reached to this point of the video. If you reached to this part of the video, make sure to comment down below this emoji, because we need to start talking. And I want to know like what I should call you guys. Like my fam calls her followers the family with PH, because her last name starts with PH, so it's like the family. And Cartruzy calls her followers the Weezies because she's Cartruzy. And then Tyler calls her followers the Tigers. I just don't know what to call you guys. I need a name. Comment down below a name, please. A nice name, please. I just need a name because I don't have a name for you guys. I don't want to call you guys baby because not all of you guys are babies. I cannot call you my loves because not all of you guys love me. I cannot call you beautiful people because yeah. So yeah, I think I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for Saturday video because I'm gonna post on Saturday or Sunday because that's who I am.
I be missing it. Put it in my face. Can I have a lick? Can I have a lick?
No bars.
Can I have a lick? I got pussy on my mind. That's all I do. That's all I do. You know I won't. I think about your pussy all the time. Okay.